Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Towheed Tech. In today's video we are going to unbox the replacement unit of Alienware x17 R2. As you might have seen my previous video, I've been facing a issue with Alienware x17 R2 and I have to send it back, and I got the replacement item, similar configuration of Alienware x17 R2. This is the actual unit, brand new one. Before I only had the refurbish unit, and their box is a big brown box, and this is the actual Alienware box. Outer box is a black one, and there's another box. I already opened up the box to check the content when I received the item. So let's open up the box and take a look at the content in there. So this is the outer box, just like the black one, and then you will see there's another box inside there. Let's take that out. So this is another magnetic box. Let's put that on the side for a second. And this unit is having the charger is a low profile with a slim line. So this unit have a 330 watt slimline charger. So this is how that look like. I never seen that before because I had the Alienware x17 R2 refurbish unit, and that come with a big brick of 330 watt charger. So this is a newer version of charger with that one as well. Refurbish unit, there's only big brown box, and when you open up the box there's a foam padding inside, and you will see the laptop in there and few paperwork and charger on the side, which is a big break. So this one is just open up just like that. The box have a very beautiful texture inside on both sides. There's Alienware x17, and there's the components being made on their keyboard, speaker grill and everything. Very beautiful box. So this one is actually tricky, bit hard. I'll take it out just like that. Put that on the side for a second. Let's have a look at the paperwork in there. So this is another fish logo inside the box, whales in there. So before, with the Alienware x17 refurbish unit, you will just see few of the paperwork. This one actually come with the paperwork, and there's a few stickers as well in there. With the refurbish unit you will never get the stickers, Alienware stickers, so we got that one as well with the replacement unit. So by the way, with the warranty system, Dell will not give you any extra brand new warranty with a replacement item. Whatever they do is, when you send your old laptop back, and remaining warranty will be transferred to your new one. So even this one is a brand new unit, the warranty will be the same. So I only have a few months left in there. So this is when they receive the old unit in there, so they will change the warranty, and I will see my new warranty with the new service tag to my new system. So let's put that back. So paper in there. So let me turn on the laptop. This is a new unit, so let me turn on and install few of the apps in there, and put my information in the window, and I will be back. So guys, I have installed everything in there, and I put all the information there. So I'm on the window page on desktop. So I'm going to test it out if this unit have a similar problem, freezing problem, when you're switching to NVIDIA GPU to get the NVIDIA setting. So let's test it out, the new unit. So gonna go to the property. So if you go to 3D setting, you will see the NVIDIA. So this is on Optimus when you are updated all the drivers and everything. So let's switch it to NVIDIA and apply that one. So I can hear the sound is being switched off. but it went back to the Optimus. It did not select the NVIDIA GPU, even it shows some of the messages in there. And now apply button and the cancel button is just disappear. Let's try one more time. Okay, apply that again. Okay, so screen freeze. So this is the second unit and I having the same issue in there. So I guess they just designed the Alienware x17 R2 to run on Optimus only, and that was that is giving me a problem. So I can actually connect the external monitor as I done last time just to test it out. Let's put the HDMI, because I'm using a TV, so let's turn that out. I can hear the beeping noise in there. It is the same issue. I can use the external monitor, but the laptop screen is freeze. So let's turn this off. And as you can see, TV screen is working, but the laptop screen is just freeze up. It's not working. So as you can see, I'm moving the mouse. Is moving on TV screen on external monitor, but it not shows on a laptop screen. Let's restart it and switch off the Optimus from BIOS, and let's see if this one have a similar issue with the previous one or different issue. So it's turning off. Laptop screen is still on freeze, but it shows on an external monitor is restarting. So we are in BIOS and we have to disable hybrid graphic advanced Optimus, disable in there, and then F10 and restart that. So laptop is restarting. So both screen is working fine. Let's see if the shows the NVIDIA setting now. Okay, we are in the setting and now it only shows NVIDIA 3080 Ti setting. There's no Optimus and no auto detect in there. Now I can able to change the settings in there, but I can see the screen brightness is quite bright just now, even it was on low when we restarted. So let's find out what's the reason in there. Okay, so this is a new issue I have found in a new replacement item. As you can see, I'm changing the brightness on the laptop. It's no changing at all on the laptop screen. As you can see, let me tilt screen a little bit in there so you can see clearly. So as you can see, this one is advanced NVIDIA Optimus is turned off from BIOS, and NVIDIA setting is working. I can access through the panel and everything, but I can see there's another issue I'm facing now. You cannot change the screen brightness if you disable Optimus from BIOS in there. So I cannot change it from there. Also, I don't have any option in there. I cannot change the brightness level is the same in there. So it is on high brightness at the moment for some reason. So let's go back, restart the item, and let me show you restart that again. I'll turn off the TV, just we don't need anymore. So this is a replacement unit, and this one have a same issue again. So I guess there's a problem with Alienware x17 R2 whole series. Some kind of configuration they have done with the BIOS and the component in there with the hardware. So certain setting you cannot able to change yourself. So we have to go back to BIOS and enable the NVIDIA Optimus in there. So our brightness option can able to work in there. So straight away when is laptop turn on, I can see this one is on low brightness now. Let's check it out. As you can see, this one is on low brightness. So this one is even lower, medium, 50%, 85%, and this is the brightest one. So this is a problem in there. When you disable NVIDIA Optimus setting from BIOS, if you disable that one, you cannot able to change the screen brightness, use a brightness on your laptop screen. So you have to enable the Optimus option from BIOS, and so this one was the replacement unit, and this one have a same issue again. So I'm not going to return that one because I think there is a problem with the Alienware x17 R2 series. So rest of the thing is working. So I figure out in there, and I can do some changes on some of the programs to get the better color grading and colors option in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I have noticed if you disable NVIDIA Optimus from BIOS and then come back and do all your setting from NVIDIA panel in there, and then once the setting is applied and saved in the laptop, then you restart again, disable that function, and you keep using the program you are using on Optimus, and what you will get is you will get the same performance as NVIDIA setting. If you have to do the color range 0 to 255, or you want to change certain setting on a panel in there, you will get the same setting in there. So there's a trick. So guys, this is my trick I have shown you on a replacement unit. If you want to use the NVIDIA setting and you want to do certain options in there, so what you have to do is restart the system, go to BIOS, in disable GPU Optimus in there, and then come back to the window and go to setting, NVIDIA setting. You can change all the setting in there, and this is the setting I have done in there. So once that done, apply that one and restart the system again, go back to BIOS, enable that function again, restart and come back to the window. What it will do is it will not show you the NVIDIA control panel access in there anymore, but you will get the same result which you will be getting with the NVIDIA GPU only. Even this one is on Optimus mode, but you will get the same performance. But there is a trick with this Alienware x17 R2. Otherwise, if you try to use that NVIDIA only in here, the screen will freeze and it will sometimes just shows the blue screen or black screen and will stuck on the laptop screen. You have to use external monitor. So if you are using the external monitor with this laptop, you will not face the same issue in there, because that's the issue only with the unit itself. So if you use the NVIDIA setting, and you will see all the setting with the external monitor, there's no problem or there's no issue in there. So the people do not have external monitor, they could be facing this problem, but there's a trick I told you. So you have to do that way and you will get the same performance and same picture quality, and everything will be working fine. Even I have to download some of the games in there and tested out more, and if someone need more help, I will make one more follow-up video with the gameplay as well, because on the previous unit even the motherboard was replaced, there was an issue, still system was giving the blue screen. So I'm not sure in this one I haven't played the game, I haven't installed anything, so I'm going to do that now. So Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in next video. If you like the video, please leave a like and leave your comment in there, and subscribe to my channel. I highly appreciate your support to my YouTube channel. I'm a new YouTuber and I'm trying to make informative and tech unboxing and review video for you guys. Thank you very much for watching.